So this is my senior project called the Happy Pet, and it is a dog feeder. So the issue is that studies show that improper feeding habits of household pets can lead to a reduced lifespan of up to 2.5 years. And in the last 5 years, only 20% of pet owners from various countries are consistently measuring how much food their pet is consuming. So here's some justifications. This one discusses how automatic feeders are solving this problem of improper feeding habits. This one discusses how your pet can have a happy and healthy life. And this one is discussing how improper feeding habits can decrease your pet's lifespan. And next, we have some past and present solutions that have tried to fix this issue. And here is my brainstorming when designing this feeder, and I came to the conclusion that a programmable feeder would be the best option. And here's my more specified brainstorming, and I came to the conclusion that a sonar detecting height would be the best and easiest for me to make. So the solution is to create a feeder that is programmed based on the pet's height and allows pet owners to give their pets the proper nutrition without difficulty. So my justification of this solution is that it would be easy to operate, consistent, it will work for a variety of size of pets, it has good storage, and is space efficient. So here's my sketch of the feeder and the design I was going for. And here is a food dispenser that I would put inside the feeder, and I decided to use a PVC pipe to hold the food. And I made this mock-up out of cardboard and a straw, and I liked this design, so I kept it. And here is my final CAD dispenser that just required a little bit of sanding on the edges, and it fit inside the pipe pretty well besides that. Here's a technical drawing for that part. Here's my part to hold the servo, because I came to the conclusion that a servo motor would be the best motor to move the dispenser, and I had to recad this part because the holes weren't big enough, and in the end I just had to drill the holes out because I still couldn't get it right, but I got it to work after I drilled them out. And here's a technical drawing for that part. Here's some progress with those two parts on the pipe, and here's my code. So the farther away the object is from the feeder that resembles a smaller dog, and so the less number of dumps it will do, and vice versa. Here's my sketch for the piece of plywood that would hold the pipe. And here's my procedure of build. And here's my vendors and material, and I found mostly everything in the classroom besides the PVC pipe, which was $22 from Lowe's, and a bowl, which was $5 from Walmart. And here's my Gantt chart showing what I did and what months I worked on it. Here's my tool selection, and here's my finished assembly, and here is my testing video. So as you can see in the beginning, my hand is far away, and that resembles a little dog, and so it does less amount of dumps. And then when my hand is closer, it resembles a tall dog, so therefore it does more dumps. Watch it again. And so the conclusion is that this height-detecting pet feeder provides a solution to inadequate feeding habits by providing a feeder that gives food specific to the pet's height, and this ensures that no more pets will suffer from malnourishment. And this is my works cited with all the sources I used to get information for this project. Thank you.